If you're wondering how to add a logo to Invoices in Housecall Pro, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Stick around until the end to see a bonus tip on customizing your invoices even further to match your brand. First off, let's dive into Housecall Pro. This tool is designed for service professionals, whether you're a plumber, electrician, or anyone in between. It allows you to manage bookings, send invoices, and get paid, all in one place. The great part is that you can make your invoices look professional by adding your company logo. To get started, head over to the Settings tab. It's located on the left-hand menu, so you can easily find it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and click on Invoice Settings. Here, you'll see an option to upload your logo. Now, before you upload, make sure your logo is in a suitable file format. Housecall Pro supports JPEG, PNG, and GIF files, so make sure your logo is in one of these formats. Keep in mind that it should be high quality to ensure it looks sharp on your invoices. Once you've chosen the logo file, click the Upload button, and your logo will appear on the invoice template. This step is super quick, but here's where it gets a bit more interesting. You can also adjust the size and position of your logo on the invoice so that it looks just right. Housecall Pro allows you to play around with the positioning until it fits perfectly with your invoice layout. Another cool feature is that you can choose whether to have the logo appear on all invoices or just on specific ones. So if you want to personalize certain invoices differently, Housecall Pro has you covered. Now, let's talk about how you can further customize your invoices for your brand. You can change the font, colors, and even add extra fields to provide additional information like a message for your customers or custom payment terms. This can all be done right in the invoice settings. And here's the best part. If you're new to Housecall Pro, you can actually use it completely free. Just click the first link below to get started with an exclusive extended free trial and some great bonuses we've put together. It's a no-brainer if you're looking to streamline your invoicing and really elevate your professional image. As we wrap up, remember that adding a logo to invoices in Housecall Pro isn't just about branding. It's about making a great first impression on your clients. With a little customization, your invoices will be ready to reflect the professionalism of your business. Don't forget to check out the link below for that extended free trial to Housecall Pro and all the exclusive bonuses available to you. You can start using it right away, and with this powerful tool at your fingertips, you'll never have to worry about managing your invoices again. That's it for this quick guide on adding a logo to invoices in Housecall Pro.